Wednesday morning, so I'm making an effort to vlog all week this week. Me and James are just in the car going to meet Sam, one of my best mates, to take the dogs for a walk. So it's a rest day today, we had a rest day yesterday as well, but we had a cheat meal last night. We've kept those in just because we've been finding that they've been helping, but I might talk about cheat meals more in this vlog if I remember. And yeah, so we just thought we'll get some cardio in today and we'll go and do a bit of a walk. So we're going to a nature reserve that kind of cuts through onto a beach that we really like, and then hopefully to get a coffee. So yeah, nice day, the sun's out, it feels very much like spring today. Here she is! Have you got Salem?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Oh, it looks so nice. Salem. Salem. You just Salem not go after the chickens. That's black. 2 black chickens and a mouse. Your house is so much more interesting to film than mine. No, let me go away. Mouse. Hello. Where's he gone? Buzz. Buzz. Yeah, this is nice. I love Sam's car. Want that car. Hello. Hi guys, Sarah's here. we are training back. We've both done the boot camp today, which was like a push-pull session, which was really good. And now we are training back, but in particular, we're training lats just to get wings. It's wing day. Good. Good, keep going.
Your face.
It's a lot later in the day now, and we are setting up tomorrow's boot camp. I wanted to show you it because it's a good one. So we've got a conveyor belt with some exercises lined up. It goes in the order of upper body, lower body, core, upper body, lower body, core, upper body, lower body, core. And I think they're going to enjoy it tomorrow for the Saturday morning boot camp. So we've had a really good week, Last week was really tiring, especially because we didn't really know what our schedule was going to be like. So obviously starting work here, we get up at 6 every day, and we're here by 6:30 for the boot camp, and then I've got a full day of clients. James is picking up clients, and then we've got boot camps through the day, and then boot camp at 6 o'clock at night. So it means that we're not getting home. I think now it's 7:10 now. We've been here since 6:30 in the morning. But now that it's light outside and we've kind of got used to it and we're really enjoying it, the week has just flown. I can't believe it's Friday already. So yeah, we're going to go back. We've got turkey burgers for tea and I'm so excited. Just a burger, no bread, but we've got some salad. And my weight's finally dropped, finally. I've been having a bit of a weird week this week with my weight shooting up and then not really knowing why. So that's kind of dropped. I'm going to film a physique update tomorrow morning to put it. So just like an up-to-date what I'm actually looking like. I feel a bit flat. I feel like you go through a phase where you lose body fat, but then you lose fullness, and it kind of, your fat goes a bit, I don't know, like floppier. That's a horrible word. Until everything tightens up again. But that's what phase I feel like I'm going through at the moment. So I don't feel great, but yeah, trust the process, I'm going to put the camera away now and yeah, get this all wrapped up, go home and eat because I'm starving. I'll see you tomorrow to round up this week. So it's Saturday morning and I thought I would film an updated physique update for you. I don't think I've ever done one of these. So I tanned last night and I woke up feeling pretty lean, to be honest, and I was my lightest weight that I've been so far on prep. I started prep at 10 stone 6.8, so it's 10.7, and I'm 9.9 now. So everything's kind of coming out how I want it to. I've gone through a bit of a kind of flat, skinny, deflated stage over the last couple of weeks, but hopefully I'm coming out of that now. My waist is really nipping in here, but I've still got quite a lot to lose in terms of body fat. It's gone loose, which is usually a sign that it's going. It's just so frustrating. I don't have much more to go here, so my abs should start popping out soon. In the right angles, you can just about see them coming out. My obliques. that's always there. Yeah, so shape-wise, it's coming in, biceps, shoulder, chest. That's the one thing I've noticed this week. It's hard to, you can't really tense it with holding the camera in one hand. I'll show you my back if I can. Legs I'm happy with, but I never really struggle, so I don't carry much on my glutes. Like that. Rear delts. Again, this is very hard to show. Still got a lot here. Yeah. So yeah, it's difficult really because you can't judge how lean you are on one body part, and I know a lot of people make that mistake. They'll say, oh, I've got abs, I'm competition ready. No. So even when my abs start to come through, they've not properly yet. I've usually got a lot more to go on my lower back, and so many times I've been on stage and felt like 2 weeks out. Yeah, current condition looks like that. It's Saturday afternoon and we are done for the week at the studio. So we've done the boot camp this morning, it was really good. I took part in it as well. And then we are going into town to just go shopping, which we haven't done in ages. So I'll probably just go to the usual, nip to Primark and get some little bits and some homeware and new pyjamas, and yeah, then I think we're gonna go for lunch at Nando's and get just some chicken and salad and fit it in with our day, because we're not having a cheat meal this week, and I don't think we're really having a refeed meal, so this Nando's will be the closest thing that we get to that. But everything's looking good so far. I dropped on the scales this morning down to 9.9, which is what I've been waiting for, so I was so relieved. And yeah, we're both feeling good. So I'll round this vlog off here. I hope you've all had a good week and I'll see you next week. Thanks guys.